Hey guys, welcome back to Pier Runners. So today I'm doing an Amazon haul with all new cruise outfits that I found myself for summer 2026. And these are all really great pieces to bring onto your next vacation or just to wear during the summer months. So all the items that I'm going to show you in today's video, I will include the links in the description box down below if you are looking to buy them. And I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have a chance. It just helps me make more videos like this one. All right, so let's begin. Now, the first piece I wanted to show you is this cute little t-shirt. I love a good t-shirt for the summer, and this one is made out of cotton. It's super breathable, super comfortable. And what I like about this t-shirt is that it has these ruffle sleeves, and I think that's just a nice way to elevate your outfit a little bit, and it gives the outfit a little bit more character. So I got this in this baby blue color, but you can get it in a whole bunch of other colors. Now, I always have trouble shopping for jeans, and I was looking for a really nice pair for the summer in this light wash. And they do have it in a whole bunch of other colors. They even have it in white. I'm really surprised. I didn't think I was gonna find a nice pair of jeans on Amazon, but I absolutely love these. They're so comfortable. They have a nice wide leg. They have this extra fabric here along the edge of the leg, and it opens up a little bit, like it flares up a little bit, and I find it gives it a nice little detail on the pair of jeans. And I really like the back of the jeans too. They give you a nice bum. And it does have like a rough hem at the bottom, so it looks kind of casual, laid back, perfect for those summer days or for your cruise vacation. Now I'm wearing this with a little necklace that I got myself on Amazon also. It comes as a little set of 3. This one is the one with the little starfish at the end, and I think it looks really pretty, just worn like this with a t-shirt. I think it makes it look a little bit more tropical and perfect for a cruise. The next top that I got myself is this cute little top. I think it's a very cute boho top, very free people. I love the little patterns on it, and I got it in this blue color, but it does come in a whole bunch of other patterns. Now I'm just wearing it with my pair of jeans here. I think it looks really cute with the pair of jeans, but I think it's a nice tropical looking top, perfect for the cruise. Okay, so the next top I wanted to show you is this cute little knitted top with these gold buttons. It's super soft and so comfortable. And I think the gold buttons, again, elevated, and I love these stripes. It looks so nautical. What's cool is that it can be worn with a pair of jeans, or you can wear it like this with a really nice pair of elegant shorts. And I love that with a little purse or something like this, you can really elevate the whole look, and it looks just so put together, but still very, very comfortable, very summery and breathable, perfect for those summer months. Now, I decided to pair it with these shorts. They're a really nice pair of elegant shorts. I think you can't go wrong with a pair of nice, elegant shorts for the summer. You can dress them up or dress them down. So very comfortable and very chic and put together. Another really cute top that I found is this little top. I think it's so adorable with the little blue embroidery. I really think it's really pretty with a nice pair of jeans to go to dinner at night. So very mom approved, and it's super adorable and feminine. All right, so the next outfit I wanted to show you is this bathing suit with these little cute jean shorts. Now, I think this would make a perfect embarkation day outfit just because this is a swimsuit that kind of looks like a tank top. So you can wear it basically with any bottom, and that way you have your bathing suit on you and you can just remove your shorts and hit the pools as soon as you get onto the cruise ship, which I think is always really nice so that you can start enjoying your vacation as soon as possible. Now the jean shorts, I thought they were so cute. They have like this little scalloped edge. I got it in this light wash color, but it does come in other colors. They're really, really comfortable, super well made. So I'm super happy with the quality of these jean shorts. Now for the bathing suit itself, it's just a simple white bathing suit. Here it does come with pads on the inside. It's not see-through at all. And I think this would be a great excursion day outfit also. I'm wearing it with a pair of linen pants. That way it keeps you modest, and if you have to go into a restaurant or something, this looks like a white tank top. The next item is a little cover up to wear over this bathing suit. Now, as you can see, I just went with a white crocheted top, but this comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So if you want to match your bathing suit, you can do that. I really love the scalloped collar. I think it's very delicate and pretty, very feminine. And you do have these cute little sleeves on each side. So very nice little cover up for a bathing suit. All right, next on the list is this little lounge set. I think it's really, really cute. It's made of a very soft material, super comfortable, perfect to wear around the cruise ship. And you can even wear it as a cover up, or if you're just going on an excursion, you can just put something like this on and be super comfortable. All right, so the next outfit I wanted to show you is this cute little dress. I absolutely love how very charming this dress is. The shoulder straps are little tie shoulder straps, so you can adjust this to any height you need it. You also have this really pretty pattern, very feminine, very flowy and soft. It almost feels like a silky material, and the dress is lined on the inside, which is really, really nice. For me, this dress just screams fairy tale. I think it's just so adorable. And I think it's really nice to wear to a restaurant or a nice evening out with your husband. And I accessorized it with this cute little straw bag, which I think is just so fun and summery, perfect for a cruise. All right, the next outfit I wanted to show you is this super pretty dress. It's made out of this knitted material, which is very soft, very flowy, and it does have this cinched waist at the middle here, which gives it some structure, and it has a super flowy skirt, which I think is so flattering. I got it in this creamy white color, but it does come in a whole bunch of different colors. Actually, I almost got the blue and the pink. I wasn't sure which one I liked better, but I decided to just go with the white because I think it's really nice and classic and super elegant. So the next dress I wanted to show you is this cute little red dress. I'm actually sailing with Virgin on my next cruise, and I needed something red for Scarlet Night, so I decided to get this dress in red, but like all the other dresses, they do come in different colors. So this dress is really, really comfortable, very, very flowy and lightweight. It has this ruffle detail at the top, which I think is very pretty, very feminine. And it has like a crisscross kind of bottom here again with the ruffles. I love that there's a tie here to tie around your waist, which gives you that cinched waist look. So I think this dress would be perfect for elegant night or even a nice evening out at a specialty restaurant. And the last dress I wanted to show you is this cute little black dress. I love how flowy this dress is. It's super lightweight. It's made with this chiffon on the top, and on their bottom there is a slip. But what I like is that the chiffon is kind of like see-through, which makes it very feminine, very ethereal looking. And the top has this nice little V-neck with these little button details. Now this has a cinched elastic waist. Now I got it in the black, just a classic black dress I think is always pretty. But if you are looking for something more colorful, they have it in a whole bunch of other colors. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all my cruise outfits. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more content like this. And be sure to stick around. Next week, I'm gonna do a huge bathing suit and swimwear haul. And if you got any value from this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy cruising.